how to fix your iPad is not working and you're stuck on a black screen. So if your iPad is out of battery or you're just stuck on this black screen like so, I'm going to show you a couple of ways on how to go in and restore the iPad. Now the first thing you need to do is go and grab a charging cable and plug one end into the iPad and the other end into a charging outlet. Now you need to leave the iPad on charge for around about 20 minutes and you should see a charging symbol on the iPad to indicate it is actually charging. Now if your iPad's just not charging altogether, you'll need to try changing the power outlet. So you can either try plugging it into a laptop or computer instead, or you can just try changing the USB-C cable. Now once you've ensured your iPad has sufficient charge, you can go and disconnect the cable like so. We're then going to perform a simple key combination on the device. So what you need to do is quickly press the volume up button, the volume down button, and then you need to hold the power button at the very top of the screen. Now continue to hold this button down for around about 45 seconds. Now after about 45 seconds, you'll see an Apple logo appear, and that's when you can go in, release this button, and you can wait for your iPad to restart. Now if it's still not working or you're still just stuck on the black screen, then go and grab your USB-C cable once again and plug one end into the iPad and the other end into a laptop or computer. Once your laptop or computer is connected to your iPad, you then need to go and open up iTunes on your device. So if you haven't already installed this, you can go and download it completely for free, and we just need to open up the app like so. So as you can see on my screen here, this is what iTunes looks like, and just make sure you have the app open. Now with everything still connected, we need to go and perform the same key combination on the iPad. So we're going to quickly press the volume up button, the volume down button, and then hold the lock screen button in the top of the iPad. Now continue to hold this button down until eventually the recovery screen should appear on your iPad. Now you may get a pop-up on iTunes asking you to either update or restore the iPad. Make sure to click on the update button, and once you've gone through all of the steps, your iPad should now be working.